No matter how much money you pour into your new computer system, the day will come when it's time to send it to the scrap heap or donate it and buy something new. Now, before you do that, there are three critical things you want to do before you sell, trade, or discard your PC. We'll tell you what they are coming up next. PCs don't age well. Even if you buy a bleeding-edge computer today, sooner or later, you're going to want to get rid of it and get something new. Before you do that, be sure to follow these three critical steps to help ensure the safety of your personal data. Number one, back up your data. Upgrading your hardware at periodic intervals is a simple fact of life, but your data is forever, or at least it should be. You've probably got hundreds of critical personal files you're going to want to port to your new computer. So be sure to back up your old computer before you decide to get rid of it. Number two, wipe or remove your hard drive. Now, once you've secured a copy of your files for yourself, be sure to wipe the hard drive on your old PC, or even better, remove and physically destroy it. Number three, perform a factory restore. If you've opted to wipe the hard drive on your old PC rather than destroying it, perform a factory restore of the PC, which will not only overwrite the files you just wiped, providing an additional layer of protection, it will also ensure that the PC is ready for its new owner to use on the day they get it. Don't give your old PC away or donate it without attending to these basic details. Failure to do so could cost you in more ways than one. If you have any questions about how to properly protect your data, give our team a call. We'd be glad to help.